Do you want to hide your Facebook story from specific friends by using your iPhone or Android? If your answer is yes, here's the advanced guide on how to hide the Facebook story from specific friends on your Facebook app. So let's get started. To do that, open the Facebook app, tap on Create a Story, and select your video or photo from your gallery. And now you can see the privacy option at the bottom left corner of the screen. Tap on it, and here you will get multiple options. You can choose one, and to hide from a specific person, tap on Custom Option. Then select the person that you want to hide from. After that, tap on Choose a Friend and tap on Save, then post your story. By following this, you can hide your Facebook story from any specific friend. If you found this video helpful, then drop a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then please write them down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.